We spent a day exploring incredible Osaka, and in this video we'll take you to the city's most impressive sights. Osaka Castle is one of Japan's most famous landmarks, a symbol of the city's history, resilience and culture. First built in the late 1500s by the warlord Toyotomi Hideyoshi, the castle played a huge role in unifying Japan. Over the centuries it was destroyed and rebuilt several times, but today it stands proudly surrounded by stone walls, moats and sprawling gardens. Walking up to it, the massive white walls and golden details shine in the sun, making it just as impressive as it must have been centuries ago. Inside, the castle is now a museum, where you can learn about Osaka's history and the life of a samurai who once walked these halls. At the top, an observation deck offers sweeping views of the city, a striking contrast between the modern skyline and this centuries-old fortress. The second place you have to visit is Dotonbori. Dotonbori is the heart of Osaka's nightlife and street culture, bright, busy and full of energy. As soon as you arrive, the neon lights and giant billboards grab your attention, especially the famous Running Man sign that's become a symbol of the city. But it's not just about the lights. The real magic is in the streets. Here, food is everywhere. From sizzling takoyaki and okonomiyaki to steaming bowls of ramen, the air is filled with the smells of Osaka's best street food. Locals say this is the city to eat until you drop, and in Dotonbori you'll understand why. The canal running through the district adds to the atmosphere with reflections of neon lights shimmering on the water. Walk along the bridges, take in the crowds, and you will feel the pulse of Osaka all around you. Dotonbori isn't just a place to visit, it's an experience, loud, colorful, delicious and unforgettable.